Welcome to Technia TV. Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Chopra, faculty of BAJMC department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on Panchayati Raj system in India. The Panchayati Raj generally refers to the system of local self-government in India. Introduced by a constitutional amendment in 1992, although it is based upon traditional panchayat system of South Asia. This Panchayati Raj system was formalized in 1992 following a study conducted by a number of Indian committees on various ways of implementing more decentralized administration. In India, the Panchayati Raj now functions as a system of governance in which Gram Panchayats are the basic unit of local administration. The system has three levels: Gram Panchayat, which is also known as village level; Mandal Parishad, which is also known as Block Samiti or Panchayat Samiti, block level; and Zila Parishad, which is also known as district level. It was formalized in 1992 by the 73rd Amendment of the Indian Constitution. Currently, the Panchayati Raj system exists in all Indian states except Nagaland, Meghalaya and Mizoram, and in all union territories except Delhi. The Panchayats receive funds from three sources: local body grants as recommended by the Central Finance Commission, block level Panchayat. A Panchayat Samiti, which is also known as Block Panchayat, is a local government body at the Tehsil level. This body works for the villages of the Tehsil that together are called a development block. The Panchayat Samiti is the link between the Gram Panchayat and the district administration. Just as the Tehsil goes by other names in various parts of India, notably Mandal and Taluka, there are a number of variations in nomenclatures of the Block Panchayat. For example, it is known as Mandal Praja Parishad in Andhra Pradesh, Taluka Panchayat in Gujarat and Karnataka, and Panchayat Samiti in Maharashtra. In general, the Block Panchayat has the same form as the Gram Panchayat but at a higher level. Membership in the Block Panchayat is mostly ex-official. It is composed of all the Sarpanch, which are also known as Gram Panchayat chairman in the Panchayat Samiti area, the MPs and MLAs of this area, the sub-district office of the subdivision, co-op members, representatives of the SC or ST and women associated members, a farmer from the area, a representative of the cooperative societies, and one from marketing services, and some elected members. The Panchayat Samiti is elected for a term of 5 years and is headed by a chairman and deputy chairman. The main function of block level Panchayat are as follows. First, implementation of schemes for the development of agriculture and infrastructure, establishment of primary health centers and primary schools, supply of drinking water, drainage and construction repair of roads, development of a cottage and small scale industries, and the opening of cooperative societies, establishment of youth organizations, district level Panchayat. The governing of the advanced system at the district level in Panchayat Raj is also popularly known as Zila Parishad. The Chief of Administration is an officer of the IAS cadre and Chief Officer of the Panchayat for district level. The main functions that are performed are: provide essential services and facilities to the rural population, supply improved assets to farmers and inform them of new farming techniques, set up and run schools and libraries in rural areas, start primary health centers and hospitals in villages, start vaccination drives against epidemics, execute plans for development of the scheduled caste and tribes, run ashrams and shawls for Adivasi children, set up free hostels for them, encourage entrepreneurs to start small-scale industries and implement rural employment schemes, construct bridges, roads and other public facilities and their maintenance, provide employment, works on sanitation-related issues. The main source of income are tax collected from localities such as water, place of pilgrimage, local mandals and markets. Village level Panchayat. Sarpanch, as it is elected head. The member of the Gram Panchayat are elected for a period of 5 years by the member of Gram Sabha. Reservation for women in Panchayati Raj institutions in India. On August 27, 2009, the Government Cabinet of the Government of India approved 50% reservation for women in Panchayati Raj institutions, which is also known as PRI. I hope you understand the topic of Panchayati Raj system in India. For more videos, please like and subscribe Technia TV.